Installing rack latches. Thread the USB I/O cable through the gap in the side of the chassis. Align the rack latch with the pin on the chassis, and then press it onto the chassis and slightly slide it backward. Note, to avoid damage to the cable, make sure that the cable is properly routed and does not cover the screw holes. Fasten the screws to secure the rack latch to the side of the server. Connect the cable to the USB I/O board. If necessary, reinstall PCIe Riser 1. Reinstall the rear top cover. Reinstall the front top cover.